Blue? Hi. You like the way I cut the tree? Did you come in for some peanuts? You're such a good bird. Yeah, you gotta be careful of that robin. He's pretty mean. He doesn't like you. Had quite a few battles going on here. Can you sing? Can you sing like your buddy Cat? I know you can. Go ahead. Good bird. You can sing. I know you can sing. Oh, there's another one. Right above my head. Well, hello there, Mr. and Mrs. Blue. Did you come for a visit? Oh, I hear your brood calling. It's so fun to watch them in the tree. Peace. I must go get my peanuts for my birds.